Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube, where today we are going to do a quick test of our track recorder on just a cell phone stuck on the windshield. And it doesn't seem to be functioning correctly. Wait. Looks like the data update's a little slow. Yeah. Confused by that. I wonder if that's because it's pulling two values. That's frustrating. Looks like the G-force data is all screwed up too. Hold on, let me reset it. We'll try again. Okay, let's see if this is any better. Wow, that's pretty heavily delayed. Wonder why it's updating so slow. Anyway, let's take her for a test drive.